Class 12th Applied Mathematics Practical 3 Matrix Multiplication. First we'll click on Start, then on Excel logo, and then we'll click on Blank Workbook. So here we are having the first cell, size is small, so we just will drag it downwards along column 1 and then increase the font size from 11 to whatever size we want. Suppose let us take is as 16. So we can see that the size of all the cells has increased. Now let us write down the heading of our practical 3, that is matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. Now next let us take here matrix A. So matrix A we can take of any order. Suppose let us take the order of matrix A as say 3 cross 4, that is 3 rows and 4 columns. So let us see here 3 rows and 4 columns. So this is what is 3 cross 4. So let us write here 3 cross 4, 3, then cross 4. So we'll start from here. So 1 we can take any number, let it be say 2, then 3 and say 0, then 3 minus 2 minus 1, 2, and then let us take some more numbers, say 6, 7, 3, 4. So this is our matrix of order 3 cross 4, because there are, you can see that there are 3 rows and 4 columns. Next what we'll do is we'll write here matrix B. So matrix B, and matrix multiplication is possible only if the number of columns of the first matrix are equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So let us take the order of the second matrix as 4 cross 3. We can take any other also, but we have to remember that the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of the rows of the second matrix. So here we are going to take 4 cross 3, there is 4 rows and 3 columns. So let us take some numbers, 2, 3, let it be say 1, and remember that we should have 4 cross 3, that is 4 rows and 3 columns. So 0, 2, 1, and say 3 minus 3 and 7, and one more row will take, because we have to take 4 rows, 8, then let this be 3 and let this be 5. And now you can see the order of this matrix is how many rows are there? There are 4 rows and 3 columns, so it will be 4 cross 3. So we'll write here 4, then cross 3. So now you can see that the number of columns of matrix A are equal to the number of rows of matrix B. So that means here matrix multiplication is possible. So now we'll find matrix AB, that is the product of matrix A and matrix B. Matrix AB. So here we'll find, and the order will be equal to the number of rows of first matrix and the number of columns of the second matrix, that is 3 cross 3. So here it will be 3 cross 3. So just let us make a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So here we have selected 9 cells, so that it will be of order 3 cross 3. So we'll write here equal to, and after that write m mult. So that is the formula to find the product of two matrices. Then put curve bracket and then select the whole matrix A. So this matrix A we have to select, then put comma and then select matrix B, the whole of matrix B, and then close the with the curve bracket, and then enter Control Shift and enter all 3 together. So this is how we have got matrix AB. So now let us repeat this again with matrix BA. So this was our matrix AB. So let us write here equal to also. Here we write. So that we'll write later on. Let us write here matrix BA. BA equal to. So this is our matrix BA. And now what will be the order of matrix B? First of all, let us check whether it is possible or not. So B is here our first matrix, that is 4 cross 3, and then we are having the order of the matrix A is 3 cross 4. So we can see that the number of columns of matrix B are the same as the number of rows of matrix A. So that means the matrix multiplication is possible, and our order will be 4 cross 4. So that is what we'll do here. So we'll select 16 cells. So 1, 2, 3. So here we are having, now we are having 16 cells. So we will be writing here equal to, formula will not change, formula will remain as the earlier one. So we'll write M, then mult, and then put curve bracket and select this time whichever matrix is written first, that you have to select first. So we'll select matrix B first, all matrix B will select. So this we have selected matrix B, then put comma, then select matrix A and close the bracket, and like the earlier one, press Ctrl Shift and enter all three together. So this is our matrix BA. So we have completed our mathematics practical 3. Now let us do some, we must make our Excel sheet very attractive one. So that will do. First of all, let us make the size bigger. So select all of them, and from 11 I am going to increase the size to 16. It is 16. Also making all of them as bold, and then let us here we'll merge the cells so that it will look more better. Here also matrix A, selecting both the cells and merging them together. Here also matrix B, merge matrix AB, we'll merge it, and here click inside this and write equal to, and next here also we'll select this matrix BA and then click on merge and center. Now let us color with color them in different colors, so it will be looking very attractive one. So click on this one, select the box where we have written matrix multiplication, and then go in this colors. So here we can do any color. Suppose let me color this light green. So this is matrix multiplication. Then matrix A, that also will color, and orange color. Matrix B, that also we are going to color. So this color we have put up. Then the whole matrix A, that we can give any color. Suppose let me give this color. You can take you can use any other color of your choice. So again let us go this time in more colors, and from here we can select, suppose I select this one. So click on OK. Next matrix AB, from here also you can put the colors. Suppose I put here, then even the letters will be colored, and you can change the font size again to 16 and then make it bold. So that is your choice. And similarly here let me go back to this coloring, and let me this color. So this color I have put up here, matrix BA. Again from here we can take, as I told you, and from here also you can color, and then making the size, select it again, and then font size increase to 16 and make it bold. So we have made matrix BA, and what we can do is that some space we can keep. For that, select all of them, and anywhere you can click here and just drag it. So we have dragged, and so space is there. It will look better than the earlier one. So color we can put again different, any color. So this color I am putting up here, you can use any other color. So here now we can see that our matrix presentation is looking far better what it was earlier. So with this, our matrix multiplication practical 3 is complete.